Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is 7th question of its exercise 11.1. So the question says that Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have for R rows? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? If there are 10 rows? So हमें गिवन है number of dots in a row. She has 9 dots in a row. So again 9 and number of rows हमें given है R. So total number of dots in R rows is equal to number of dots in a row into number of rows. So number of dots in a row हमें given है 9 and number of rows है R. So हमारे पास total number of dots in R rows is 9R. Next, how many dots are there if there are 8 rows? So ये हो जाएगा total number of dots in 8 rows. So हो जाएगा number of dots in a row 9 into number of rows 8. 9 8s are 72. And next, if there are 10 rows, तो हो जाएगा total number of dots in 10 rows is equal to number of dots in each in a row into total number of rows 10. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 90. That's our final answer. Thank you.